Hey guys, in today's video we are going to turn my faded out purple wannabe hair to teal. Once again, I am using the Enrage brand dye. This is leftover from Michaela, so I am going to mix it in with some white conditioner and turn my hair teal. So if you would like to see what my hair looks like teal, then keep on watching. Okay, so here is what my hair is currently looking like. Most of the purple is gone. I do still have some pink underneath, but like 98% of the purple is completely faded away. For a while my hair turned silver and now it's back to being a platinum blonde. I am not going to do my roots this time only because I don't have bleach right now and I just didn't feel like picking some up. So I'm just gonna do leave the roots for now as intentional, I guess. And they don't look great, but hoping they'll look better once the hair is re-dyed. All right, so let's go ahead and mix up our dye. I'm just gonna squeeze some of this teal dye into my mixing bowl. All right, so that is all the dye I have left. Now to add the conditioner.
Yeah, I think I did like twice.
So what do you think of her hair?
Looks cool.
If you guys haven't seen that video yet, go back and check it out. I'll link it right here. And that is where I top off Michaela's hair. So. Alright.
Want to save to make coffee?
Yeah, you can make coffee. Oh. You can do.
Shoving too much of the goods?
Yeah. I gotta add more conditioner. There's no way this is gonna be enough for my entire head. Alright, so I filled it to that much. I usually require a ton of dye, so. And if the color gets lighter, that's fine by me, so I don't have a problem with that. There's plenty of dye in here.
That's really pretty though.
So,
why does it look like some sort of, looks like extremely thick paste, which it kind of is.
Alright, so let me show you guys the color that I ended up with. I am good with that. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, she'll probably re-bleach it and dye it.
Yeah.
Alright, she's putting it up in a ponytail now. She's got a little palm tree. Look at that. It's so funny.
Excuse me. So stupid.
Oh, she won't be wearing that to school. She'll be needing it for home. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the top and then work my way to the back. I have hopefully plenty of dye. My hair is a bit oily today. I did not wash it for the last couple of days because dye takes, I feel like dye takes better on my hair when it's got some natural oils in it. But it will be much better once it's all done. Okay, let's get started. I do have this little brush right here to part and flip. So I'm just gonna go into all this area right here first. I'm going right over my roots just because. Oh, you know what I forgot to grab? Babe?
Yeah.
Can you grab me some gloves, please? I literally started dyeing my hair without gloves in my hands. Like, it's been a while apparently. Because I should be an expert in this by now. And I'm touching my hair without gloves. What is wrong with me? These are the heavy duty cleaning gloves. They have extended wrist action. So hopefully I won't turn my wrist blue like I always do. My hair whips around. Don't curl up on me. I need you to get on here. Alright. Now we're ready to go. Did I mention it's like 7 o'clock at night and I work tomorrow? And I'm just now down my hair. Is that a phone call? I'm doing it now because Joey had a doctor's appointment, so couldn't do it earlier. I cut Michaela's hair earlier, and then I was running errands all morning, so this was pretty much the only time I had. And I'm in the process of editing a video right now, the one for her hair cutting. So that was filmed earlier today. And yeah, it's been a very busy day. Lots of saturation of the hair.
Mom?
Huh?
What do you do?
Oh, nothing, honey. I'm just making sure that I have lots and lots of color on my hair so that it looks pretty when it's all done.
What?
And I know the pink's probably going to turn into a purplish hue, but I'm okay with that.
Why don't you?
I actually kind of like that idea that there's a little bit of purple throughout. So.
I turned the play bites. Found it.
Alright. Sides are done. Ear is blue. Now we move on to some of the bottom side. Okay, so let's grab this piece right here. Let's do that first. Still got it on my arm.
Can I be in the video too?
Yeah, you can be in the video, honey. See, you're right there. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Huh?
Where'd he go?
Where did who go?
No.
Nobody went anywhere. Mama's just dyeing her hair, honey. People like to watch me dye my hair, so I'm making a video. So they can watch me dye my hair.
Okay. They're watching me.
Yeah, they're watching you too now.
Okay. I love your hair. It's blue.
Thank you.
Don't touch it. Don't touch, Mom.
No, you don't touch. Mommy's gotta touch it to make it blue. That's what Mommy has clothes on.
Oh, what's this color?
Teal.
It makes blue.
Yeah, it's called Twisted Teal.
Wow, look, it's just blue.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Just pull all the hair to the back of my head. Give it a good twirl around. And pile it on top. Alright, everything looks blue back there. I think we are good to go. So I'm just going to let this sit in for about an hour or so. And then I will come back after I have rinsed it out to show you guys the color. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'll see you guys in about an hour. A little longer than an hour. Alright guys, it is a little after 9 o'clock and I have washed my hair out, and you can kind of get a little hint right there what it's going to look like. But let's take a look at the whole thing, shall we? I'm just going to squeeze out any excess water. Alright, here we go. And my hair is blue. Alright. Wow, that is bright. I thought for sure it wasn't going to be as bright because of the amount of conditioner I use, but man, that's a good dye. Look at this. It is so bright. I'm actually kind of digging that. I told my students my hair is going to be blue this week, and they were so excited because they've only ever seen me with like pink or purple. Never seen, whoops. I went to grab my comb and I grabbed this other hair dye. It's a good thing I didn't have dye on it. I know, right? Alright, so it's just, I don't usually like to come through when it's wet, but I just want to get an idea what it looks like. And I could blow dry it, but I'm really just not in the mood right now. Alright, so that is what my hair looks like. I will show you guys an update. I don't like to comb it when it's wet because it does this bit where it just starts to break off. So I'm gonna let it dry naturally. I will brush it in the morning and I will show you guys what it looks like in natural daylight. I don't even mind the roots, honestly. I'm just glad I didn't get blue all over my scalp. That's a win for me. Alright, so I will come back and close this video out in the morning. Doesn't look like I missed any spots. Everything has a nice even tone of blue. So I'm excited. And let's check the underneath here. Yep, it just has a little bit of darker blue to it, but nothing really turned purple. So I guess the pink was faded out enough. There might be a little bit of a purple tint in here, but we'll just have to look at it in the morning. I'm not really sure. We'll wait until it's dry and get the final results in the morning. So I will see you guys then. Bye. Alright guys, so here is the final result of my hair color. It looks absolutely awesome. It's so pretty. It's vibrant. I thought it would be a lot lighter because of how much conditioner I added, but clearly that did not affect the color. It is beautiful. It is even. There's wherever I had pink, you see a little bit of darker blue. So there's some lowlights in there. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving this color. It is so cool. My students were like, your hair is blue. Did you dye your hair? I was like, nope, woke up like this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I am YouTube That Babe on Twitter, and that is the only social media I am now using. I'm not really using Instagram or Snapchat, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, on social media, use Twitter. I also am thinking about chopping my hair off. I've mentioned that before. I just haven't decided what I want to do to it. So I want you guys to tweet me pictures of haircut suggestions and haircut styles. I was really inspired by Michaela's hair. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. I'll leave the link right here, or I left it already earlier in this video, so go check that video out. And then tweet me some pictures of what you think I should do to my hair. Alright, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!